If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Jagamohan Ladoo. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then 1/3 cup of jaggery or gur, half a cup of rice flour, a quarter cup of grated coconut, a quarter cup of semolina or suji, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, first add all the ghee followed by the grated coconut, powder and the suji. Now roast these until they turn light golden color over medium flame. Then to that add all the gur along with 1/3 cup of water, the salt and the rice flour. Now combine all these really well and cook until almost all the moisture is gone, because the rice flour and suji will soak up the moisture. So once it's get like a dough, switch off the flame, and while it's still warm, take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball, and it's done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Jagamohan Ladoo. So do try this at home and save your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.